Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay using gift card on Shein app. So let's get started. So here we are in Shein in our iOS device, and if you're in Android, don't worry, it's basically the same thing. So first things first, what you want to make sure is that you're logged in into your account right here. And once you're logged in, we can now proceed into choosing the product that we want to buy using gift card. So let's say I just want to buy maybe this one right here. I want to buy this, and I'm just gonna click some random product, and then I'm gonna add them to cart right here, and medium right there. So now I'm gonna go back to my cart right here. I'm gonna go to my cart and see everything right here. So as you can see, I have that, and I'm gonna go check out. So I'm gonna tap on check out right here. So from here, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna go at the bottom right here, wherein you can see the gift card option right here, right? So you want to tap on that gift card option. So you want to tap on that, and then from here, you basically need to input the number that is on the gift card, and of course, it's pinned right here in order for you to claim it and use it as your payment method right here in Shein. So that would be on the card, and it all you have to do basically is just put it there and tap on apply next. But I wouldn't be putting mine because I don't have one, but this is basically how you do it. You just need to tap on that gift card, and then now you can tap on continue once you are all good and set. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.